Plant FAQs. Hoya Heuschkeliana. Hoya Heuschkeliana, a fragrant climber for discerning plant parents. Hi, Furvu here. Today, we're diving into the world of Hoya Heuschkeliana, a stunning climber coveted for its glossy foliage and sweetly scented blooms. This little gem might not be the easiest houseplant, but its charm is undeniable. So, whether you're a seasoned plant collector or a curious beginner, let's explore this beauty together. See more 566 species in genus Hoya at monsteraholic.com. What is Hoya Heuschkeliana? Hoya Heuschkeliana is a tropical epiphytic vine native to Southeast Asia. It thrives in warm, humid environments, clinging to trees and other structures in its natural habitat. As a houseplant, it presents cascading tendrils adorned with small, oval-shaped leaves. These leaves boast a deep, glossy green hue that elevates any indoor space. Those adorable flowers. The true magic of Hoya Heuschkeliana unfolds when it blooms. This can happen throughout the year with proper care. The star of the show is the clusters of small, bell-shaped flowers. Imagine delicate, waxy blossoms boasting a golden yellow center rimmed with a touch of pink. The fragrance? Prepare to be surprised. Unlike many fragrant houseplants, Hoya Heuschkeliana offers a unique, sweet aroma reminiscent of buttered popcorn. Light it up. Hoya Heuschkeliana isn't a fan of the dark. It craves bright, indirect light. Think dappled sunlight filtering through a window. Avoid harsh, direct sun, which can scorch the leaves. East or west-facing windows are ideal. If natural light is limited, consider supplementing with grow lights. Watering wisely. Here's where things can get tricky. Hoya Heuschkeliana dislikes soggy roots. The key is to water deeply when the soil feels completely dry to the touch. It's better to err on the side of underwatering than overwatering. Signs of thirst include wrinkled leaves and dropping foliage. Pro tip: invest in a moisture meter for an accurate reading of soil moisture. Humidity matters. Remember, Hoya Heuschkeliana hails from the tropics. It thrives in high humidity. Aim for around 60% to 70% humidity. Grouping your Hoya with other humidity-loving plants or using a pebble tray filled with water can help create a more humid microclimate. Planting power. A well-draining potting mix is crucial for Hoya Heuschkeliana. Opt for a mix specifically designed for orchids or cacti, which allows for excellent drainage. Terracotta pots are also a good choice as they promote airflow and prevent root rot. Climbing companions. Hoya Heuschkeliana is a natural climber. Provide it with a trellis, moss pole, or other support structure to encourage its climbing habit. This not only looks stunning but also promotes healthy growth. Feeding frenzy. During the growing season, spring and summer, a light application of balanced fertilizer once a month will suffice. Skip fertilizing during winter when growth slows. Common concerns. Yellowing leaves. This can indicate overwatering, lack of light, or nutrient deficiency. Check your watering routine and adjust if needed. Ensure your Hoya receives adequate light and consider fertilizing during the growing season. Mealybugs. These sap-sucking pests can target Hoya Heuschkeliana. Isolate the infected plant and treat it with neem oil or insecticidal soap solution. Scale. These tiny, armored insects can also infest your Hoya. Treat them with insecticidal soap or horticultural oil spray. Hoya Heuschkeliana versus Hoya Carnosa. Both Hoya Heuschkeliana and Hoya Carnosa are popular houseplants. Here's a quick comparison. Leaves. Hoya Heuschkeliana has smaller, oval-shaped leaves with a glossy sheen. Hoya Carnosa has larger, fleshy leaves that can be oval or slightly rounded. Flowers. Hoya Heuschkeliana produces golden yellow flowers with a pink rim and a buttered popcorn scent. Hoya Carnosa blooms in various colors, including pink, red, and white, but lacks the popcorn fragrance. Light. Both prefer bright, indirect light. Humidity. Both thrive in high humidity. Care. Hoya Heuschkeliana requires slightly more attention to watering and humidity compared to Hoya Carnosa. So, there you have it. Hoya Heuschkeliana, a fragrant climber that adds a touch of the tropics to your home. With a little extra TLC, this charming vine will reward you with stunning blooms and a delightful aroma. Happy planting!